Hello, we are Karel and Jolien from our first home, and this is our home.
So it's a Mercedes Vito long base from 2008. It's a 1.6 liter TDI diesel engine, and it consumes now around 8 liters, 100 kilometers. We bought it last year, 2 years ago in 2016, at the end of 2016. And it took us about 1 year to finish it, but we did only weekend works because we were still working at the time, saving money to go on the trip. And I think we put around, if we would work on it full time, it would be 400 hours or something, and it would be done. It's all self-made, so this one is really easy for us. We just slide it out, so we can always cook outside. Under here is the stove, and then we got the gas bottle. It's a camping gas, most useful, and all the pots and pans are in here as well. So we got Dutch oven, wok pan, all the spices, here the knives, everything we use like mostly daily. And then some bread and for the moment salad as well, and other stuff we use daily. Then underneath there is a small storage space for umbrellas we don't use, and a mat to sit outside. Some chairs are under here as well, but they're out now. Then this is something we've built in recently. We always had a problem of putting the computers and books and drones and our cameras like from the kitchen area to the bed to everywhere. So we just made it like a month ago. It's with all coffee, things we need daily, for making salads, and then the granola we made. Mostly it's like 2 sorts of coffee, 2 sorts of granola, some fruit and vegetables, and then all the other spices. And then we can open the rest here, and it's like full with maps and books and computers and drones at the moment. Above it's like small stuff, tea, matches, coffee, some more coffee. We really love our coffee in the morning. So. And then some crochet stuff Jolien is doing. Our fridge, and underneath the fridge we got the 12 volt external battery, so it's a deep cycle one from Bosch, I think. It's 110 amps hour, and then we got the main switch to put all the electrics off, then 2 USB cables for our phones and everything, and then one cigarette plug to use for the fridge. And then over here we got our bike closet, which we now use as a normal closet because we're a long way on our travels and our bikes are at the back. Here we got the same, so 2 USB plugs, another socket, a fridge socket, the light switches, which only works one because I still have to install another one here for the kitchen, but we don't do it yet. Axe for making campfires, the bottle opener, which comes always in handy. And then we got 2 more lights here. It's just for reading, and like if you just need a fixed light, it's better. This one doesn't hurt your eyes, this one does. Underneath the bed is all the storage space, so we just flip it open, and this is bathroom and everything. Then this is Jolen's closet with all the clothes in it, and my closet, small one, don't need that much stuff. At the back we got our shoes in a box, and then we got our cycling clothes and everything, so we just have to move it a lot, but it works perfectly fine. So just open it, you got shoes, you got towels and cycling stuff, and then you got like a hammock and 2 more sleeping bags, which come in nice if you're minus 15. Then, like we told you, this is the bike closet, and underneath we got like a storage space for our liquor and our other stuff. Then we got some more games in here, board games we really like to play, here at the back and then in the closet as well. And that's about it. We got 3 more bikes in the back and 1 more bike here, and that's it. This is everything from the inside, and then in the back we got my cycling bike and then 2 other mountain bikes. We just really love it. It's we've been doing it all our lives, and it's just we couldn't live without it at the moment. So we like to put all the countries or places we've been on the van. For the moment we only have Ireland and a Spomenic monument from Croatia, but should be filled up soon.